This is Holland and Barrett. Before you come here, you should order online from them. So I'm at Malta International Airport. Now I'm off to the London Comic and Movie Con. There are lots of things you can get from the airport. Bags of biscuits.
Passengers traveling on the Malta Air 100 to London Heathrow, please contact personnel by gate number 18. Passengers George Anthony, Camilleri Jill, Camilleri Claude, Asa Joseph, Asa Maria.
You're at the airport and you're traveling to Malta or going back to your country after traveling to Malta. You can get back some of the stuff which you might not have purchased while you were on the island. See you later. Hello from London. It's a very sunny day today. It's a very sunny day and very something you don't usually see in London. However, today it's hot, hotter than Malta. This is King Street. In Hammersmith. So the street is called King Street. You can find a lot of shops here. There's Holland and Barrett and lots of stuff. There's also a shopping mall called King's Mall, and that's something which is worth visiting. All kinds of shops on the street. Chinese shop. Herbs and the Chinese medicine. Taco Bell. Never been to Taco Bell. Savers. A lot of amazing prices and offers and lots of things. Iceland. If you want to buy from the supermarket, that's something you find also in Malta. It's called Iceland. There's a Thai shop here. Brown rice. Other shops. Buses. Primark. Primark. Hakuna Matata. Remember who you are. That's Primark Hammersmith, which is also connected to the mall. This is Holland and Barrett. Before you come here, you should order online from them and get the membership card. That's worth doing.
Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.
Over there, there's Boots, an optician by Boots, however. Poundland, which is a discount store. And there's Bakehouse, it's a German bread shop. And there's Barclays Bank, which we used to have in Malta many years ago. And there's also Hammersmith Ram, which is basically a pub. Perhaps you can have some fish and chips there. at many other shops. This is, as I said before, King Street. So bye for now from Malta Network Resources in London.